We have some news just coming in at this point in time. A 24-plane wreckage has now been found around 15 kilometers from Tinda in Russia's far east. 43 people were on board, including 6 crew members. 5 children reportedly among the passengers. The area is said to be hilly with dense forests. Rescuers have found the wreckage of an AN-24 missing in the Amur region. The Ministry of Emergency Situations has discovered a piece of burning fuselage from the air while looking for the missing plane. Emergency services have told that the plane was found in a mountain site 15 kilometers from Tinda. An aerial inspection has shown that there are no survivors. There is difficult terrain. Lush vegetation, living bodies can be found during an inspection on the ground, is what sources have said. This has got to do with the wreckage that has been found. Debris of the plane that went missing in Russia has been found. 43 flyers and 5 crew members is what we know. We're getting in some details of the plane crash. The debris and the wreckage essentially has been found. The Ministry of Emergency Situations has discovered the burning fuselage from the air while looking for the missing AN-24. Emergency services have told that the plane was found in a mountain side about 15 kilometers from this area. An aerial inspection that has shown that there are no survivors. Reporting on a plane crash that has taken place in Russia. The aerial inspection indicating that there is a possibility that there are no survivors. The terrain also is difficult as far as the access is concerned here. Plush vegetation, living bodies could be found during an investigation. The plane had gone missing. An AN-24 Russian plane had gone missing in this region. It's a twin turboprop Antonov AN-24 passenger plane carrying 47 people that had gone missing. The debris that has been found in the far eastern Amur region is what we are being told.